and headed of course by the police car of Ballesteros, Cagayan. We are now here at the marketplace of the town of Ballesteros, na kung saan po na-observe natin and we are witnessing yung parade ng Ballesteros National High School. And here they are with their colors and flag. Now with Ballesteros National High School Streamer 2010 Intramurals. Theme for this year is play for the school and win for the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the parade goes on for Ballesteros National High School as they are now moving here right in front of the public market of Ballesteros. And we are giving you a minute by minute, blow by blow account of this very exciting parade, which commenced, of course, the 2010 Intramurals of Ballesteros National High School. Here they are, and we have the cadets and cadets of the said school, Ballesteros National High School. And coming up is the ladies in blue-green. Now they have to traverse and they have to negotiate the role. Here they are in beautiful colors, in beautiful jerseys. Wonderful. It's really wonderful with all the smiles of these paraders. They are now moving, and they keep on moving. Exact location natin, nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng public market ng Ballesteros, Cagayan. At ibinibigyan natin ng minute by minute or blow by blow account of this parade. And the candidates now coming up. We have candidate number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, and number 15. All of them. Then comes the seniors in blue jersey. Here they are, the seniors, maintaining a very straight line. Wow, it's nice to look at the parade. When you do have a parade like this, a very well organized parade, shown to us by Ballesteros National High School. And we take time also to have a photo and a video of the people who are now watching the parade right here in front of Ballesteros Public Market. Ito po yung mga kababayan natin na very much excited, very much interested, and very much eager to view yung ongoing parade. So we are back with the parade with the Unbeatables in blue. These are the Unbeatables. So we are about to have the tail end of the seniors, Unbeatable seniors in their blue jersey. They will be competing, of course, in the different activities on this ongoing Intramurals of Ballesteros National High School. And this is a minute by minute, blow by blow account of this ongoing affair right here sa bayan po ng Ballesteros, Cagayan, through the facilities of your balloncam.com Ballesteros. And here, ang mga mentors natin, all dressed in, yeah, this is garnet or something like violet. Violet, yeah, thank you for the, yes, and that's, there goes Mom Cheryl. And the rest of the pack now moving in. Here comes the juniors in pink. Okay, here are the juniors now, moving in and crossing in. Oh yeah, very nice to look at them. The juniors in their dazzling pink uniform. With their own style of flag, the juniors coming up with their band majorette. Okay, here comes the juniors. Of the public market of Ballesteros, Cagayan. Oh yes, the post painting sun, oh beautiful. Okay. the juniors now moving in for the parade, which is now ongoing on a very beautiful Wednesday morning right here in front of the public market of Ballesteros, Cagayan. And this is in connection with the ongoing intramurals of Ballesteros National High School. And from our vantage point, we can still look at the far end na mahaba pa rin po ang linya ng ating mga juniors. So patuloy po tayo nagbibigay ng mga minute by minute, blow by blow account of this ongoing parade, and our actual location natin after several minutes from the start from Ballesteros National High School. We are now actually located here dito sa may public market ng bayan ng Ballesteros at tuloy tayo sa pagbibigay ng mga kaganapan. These are the situationers now which is now ongoing with the parade for Ballesteros National High School 2010 intramurals. And it would be very nice for us to be watching yung different games to be competed during the intrams. Again, this is the tail end for the juniors team in pink, as they are now gradually turning to their right. At tinatabayanan na rin natin ang pagpasok ng sophomore. Okay, the sophisticated sophies are now on deck. And coming up is another group of mentors from the Ballesteros National High School, still with their violet jersey. Okay, here they are, yung ating mga mentors ng Ballesteros National High School. And there, we notice si Sir Mar, all his smiles. And here comes, ladies and gentlemen, the sophisticated sophies with their banner in dazing and dazzling, orange. Yeah, it's time for the sophies, the sophomores, to shine, and they are shining with all the smiles that they can offer us. Okay, walang pumapalakpak sa ating audience, ano? Okay, yes, there. Yan ang gusto natin, pumapalakpak, para maengganyo na naman ating mga paraders around the town. I repeat, ito po yung sophisticated sophies in blazing orange uniform. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the sophisticated sophies. It's very exciting and it's very festive food. The sophisticated sophies. So patuloy po tayo ng pagbibigay ng mga situationers dito sa nagaganap na parada ng Ballesteros National High School, at nandito pa rin ang ating mga sophisticated sophies sa kanilang pag-ikot-ikot sa bayan ng Ballesteros. Ulitin po natin, ika-6 ng buwan ng Oktubre taong 2010, at nagbibigay po tayo ng talagang right on the spot where the action is. Ito po ang parade na nagaganap dito sa mismo harapan ng Ballesteros Public Market. As usual, makikita pa rin natin ang napakahaba. It's a very long queue. It's a very long line of the sophisticated sophies. At the far end, makikita na natin coming up is another group of competitors for the ongoing intramurals of Ballesteros National High School. Only lang, dito lang sa Ballesteros nagaganap po ito ang mga ganitong kagandahan festivities na kung saan po ipinapakita ng ating mga mag-aaral ng Ballesteros National High School na sila po ay they will have to compete to win for the school and to win for the nation, being their theme in this year's intramurals. I repeat, win for the school and win for the nation. Here's another group. Ito na siguro yung last group, and it will be comprised of the freshmen. Freshmen, okay. Ito na po yung mga freshmen in violet and white. Beautiful and what an exotic na exotic po. At nandito ang pinangungunahan po ng kanilang mentors. Of course, yung tatlong mentors dyan na nangunguna. Here comes, ladies and gentlemen, yung mga grupo ng freshies. Okay? Ang mga freshmen ay nandito na ngayon. At hanapin natin ang ating Freshie. Asan si Vanny? Where is Vanny? Hindi ko makita si Vanny. Habulin natin si Vanny. Hindi natin nakuha. Okay, eto si Vanny. Hinahabol natin. Okay? Vanny is there sa parade. Okay, thank you. Balikan natin ang parade. Okay, the freshmen now moving in with their violet and white attire. Napakaganda po naman, ano, habang kanina hinabol natin si Vanny. Okay, moving in. We have now the freshmen. Mukhang pagod na? Hindi pa. Walang pumapalakpak sa freshmen. Coming up, these Slashers in their gray uniform. Kahit na natanggal yung pamalo ng bass drum. Okay, balikan natin. Pumwesto tayo na maganda para kita natin ang kagandahan nitong parade na nagaganap po dito sa may harapan po ng public market ng bayan ng Ballesteros. Dito yung ika-6 na araw ng Oktubre. Aha! Very nice, no? At mahaba, it will be a complete 15-minute reportage of this ongoing parade. Ulitin po natin, the theme of this intramurals for Ballesteros National High School is to win for the school and to win for the nation. Here they are in gray uniform. We have the freshmen of Ballesteros National High School. And this shall be brought to you through the facilities of balloncam.com, Ballesteros on your internet. Yes, kuha kayo. Panoorin nyo sa internet yan. So we are doing this through the facilities of your balloncam.com, Ballesteros, which shall be shown, of course, in the internet. At makikita na inyong mga relatives, friends, not only in the Philippines, but nation, internationally, mapapanood ang napakagandang parade na ito na binibigay sa atin ng Ballesteros National High School. Malapit na pong matapos at maubos ang linya ng ating mga freshies, mga freshmen, at susundan natin ito sa kanilang destination. Okay, ulitin po natin. This shall be brought to you through the facilities of your balloncam.com, Ballesteros. Here they are. Nasa tail end na po tayo ng grupo ng mga freshmen.